welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a really small Temu order of some paintings. Sorry, I forgot what they're called. Diamond paintings that I actually just ordered a while back ago, and I was going through my stash and I found some of my older ones. So I found these two together, and I actually want to show them because one of them surprised me because I kind of didn't know what size it was. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. So just to let you all know, I am a Temu affiliate, so you'll see a code appear right about here. And if you use that code, if you're a new user to Temu, there are several almost $100 coupon bundle that you can use to discount any number of orders that you wish to do, and it'll show you different kind of coupons of certain amounts. So that's offered for returning users or just anyone that's reinstalling the app and all of that. There is a 30% discount and several other discounts that Temu has throughout the day. There are some lightning deals and there are some flash sales, so there's always a time to save money whenever you're on the Temu site. And if anything's purchased under my code or any items that I've picked, majority of them are diamond painting, a small percentage goes back to me as commission and some as seeding money towards any kind of campaign Temu might have of items that they'd wish for me to show. So it's a win-win for all of us. And so without further ado, let me show you the paintings. So the first painting is kind of small, and if you're a returning viewer, you know I love teacups. I love tea sets. I actually have some actual real ones that I've collected in real life because I really love them, and also have them as paintings. And so this one I did remember when I spotted it, and as I said, I ordered a long time ago. I was so glad I was able to find it today. And so the kits always come with your standard toolkit, which, just in case you're new to diamond painting, is a tray, a wax, and the pen. And the pen, you would just press into the wax, press into the diamonds that you've poured into the tray. As you can see, the grooves, it kind of helps you separate them and makes them easier to pick them up individually. And you would just place them on the painting, and voila, you have officially started diamond painting. In case you lose it or in case it breaks, don't worry, your next kit is always going to have one. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, I really love these really nice coral, soft salmon colors. And there's a lot of gray. I don't mind though. I kind of like how they contrast together. And there's a little bit of white in between, as you can see. Some of the packets, sometimes they're real thin. They'll be kind of sneaky in the middle, but it's a 20 by 20. I'm kind of not surprised that there's some hidden in there. And this is the painting, and it is a tea set. So it's the teapot with the teacup, and they're roses. So I love this image. To me, it looks really kind of vintagey. I think it's the style of the teapot that makes me think of that. And my apologies, I'm just going to adjust the camera here a bit. And there we go. I have it in a new angle, so it kind of throws me off. And yeah, so, oops, sorry about that. So there, I'm ignoring the white background, but I do love the way the roses look. As I said, really vintage, really antique, and I really, really love that. I love that there's tea in the cup. As you can see, there's a liquid, and I just really love this. I actually wouldn't mind just kitting it up and starting it soon. But I think I might have to hold off because I'm actually working on another 20 by 20. I'm almost done. Maybe this might be the next one I'll kit up. And some information about the painting. It is S168 and is a 20 by 20. And it is 14 colors. And luckily in the legend, as you can see, they're all letters. And I love that. I love when they're all one style. These are all numbers, or all letters, or all symbols. Not a mix of both, because sometimes I get confused. And for this, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see a little more clearly. A nice, beautiful tea set is your style as well. So let me put it aside real quick. So the next painting. I'm only showing two today, and mostly this one is the one that I kind of forgot. And there's a reason why it's in a little... I usually don't get kits in these kind of bubble wrap kind of coverings. They're usually in kind of cellophane plastic see-through covers that you can just, you know, slip out the painting and you're done. But this one actually came in this style. At first I didn't understand why is it like that, and I'll show you in a moment why. So the diamonds actually got out when I was first moving around the package. So let me just pour them out real quick. So, oh, the kit's also in here as well. I thought maybe it might be in the bag. And so yeah, it's just a bubble wrap bag, and it just kind of protects everything that's in the kit. And it has everything your diamonds. The little toolkit, as I said, they always find you. This one luckily has some Ziploc bags if that's your style of kitting up, getting all the diamonds prepared. I save the little bags because I always have a use for them, and I really love when they have them ready to go for you whenever you need them. And this is the painting. So as you can see, there's a white covering on the painting. This is a double adhesive painting, meaning that the white paper, if you remove it, the sticky part of the painting for the diamonds to go on are actually stuck to the white paper. It kind of reminds me of double-sided tape. It's kind of that style. First time I ever saw this, I kind of didn't understand the concept of it till I kind of started researching it, messing it around. If you actually pick it up, let me see if I can do it without kind of messing up the paper. The adhesive part is actually on the paper itself. You see how it's sticky? The painting has nothing. As you can hear my finger just running through it, it's actually not sticky at all. So all you would have to do is kind of peel off the paper really carefully and making sure the adhesive stayed on the painting. And I actually did it on this corner earlier. Let me see if it stayed. As you can see now, it's sticky. So this style, as I've said before, I'm started diamond painting back in December. So there is still some things I still haven't learned yet, but this I had seen it before, and as I said, I had to research it, and all you do is just peel it and the adhesive starts staying on the painting. I don't know, I'm not too sure if this is how diamond painting originally used to always have the adhesive on it, but I don't see them that often. Usually it's poured over glue, which you've seen it in, especially in the TEMU painting I just showed, that you can just peel off that plastic cover on it and the adhesive is already stuck on the painting. Double-sided, not so much. It's actually on the paper and you would have to release it when you're good. I believe it's so if you just take off a piece, work on a part, and continue like that. What I'm planning to do is remove it all and just put release papers on them and is slowly just peeling those off, because honestly this makes me a little nervous. I'm more nervous I'm actually going to peel it too hard or mess up the glue. So excuse me, I'd rather just pull it all off in one go. If I can get it all to stay on the painting, put release papers, and that's the end of the story. I can continue on. This painting I actually didn't, as I said, didn't remember, but I remembered the image. And oh my goodness, let me put this aside real quick and I'll show you the painting again. I'm just going to put it aside. These are the diamonds for it. When I found this painting, I kind of yelled a little bit. Kind of scared my husband a bit, because I honestly thought I never received this painting. And it is so cute. It's a little sleeping fox, as you can tell with the little picture there. And I honestly remembered this painting. I just thought it was lost. And it totally slipped my mind because I had ordered another fox painting, which is a little different. It was actually sitting in the forest. But back in my mind, I remembered I had a little sleeping one. And it is so cute. And as I said, I lost it when I found it. Because as I said, I was taking out my older stash of TEMU orders that I still haven't shown to y'all. I was so excited I found this and I lost it. The second thing I forgot about this painting, this is officially my first TEMU painting. That's a square painting. I've never done a square with TEMU. The only square art painting I have started and I still haven't finished yet was with Diamond Art Club, but I've never seen a square painting through TEMU. So this painting, I'm actually going to kit it up probably after I'm recording this, so I can get it started, because I am really curious how these diamonds work. All of my TEMU paintings have been round so far. I am so excited that this one's a square, and as I said, I honestly don't remember this painting. And I was just so excited when I saw those squares. And I know these are smaller packets. I really don't mind since I kit up all my paintings. So I don't mind that they're little smaller ones, which I actually prefer because I recycle little packets. So I do prefer that they're smaller ones. A little less, more, a little less plastic that we'd have to throw away. But since I recycle, the less plastic I'd have to worry about recycling. And I really love that it has the little image in it. And this is all the listing of all of the codes for the painting. And it has usually the little quantities that each packet would have. I've seen these before. Little signatures letting you know that it was certified, everything's good. Now let me give you some information about the painting. I just got so excited I wanted to show this. And my apologies if I moved off camera. As I said, my angle's a little off. So let me see if I can get it a little centered better. So you can see that cute little fox sleeping. Oh, I cannot wait to start this one. Some information about the painting. It is X609038 and is a 30 by 40. And it is, if I can get the total here, kind of worried to, ooh, it doesn't have the number on here. I think the paper might have the total. Actually, let me open the plastic real quick. I think it's 30 some colors, but let me check. Sorry about the crinkly noise. I'm not for sure the canvas has it, but I don't see any number total on it. I think it said in the back, but since I already opened it and I pulled the paper out. And it is 27 colors. Huh, I thought for sure it'd be in 30s. And you can see, let me stretch it out better. That's the little image. Since it's so much orange, pastel, kind of peach color, I thought maybe it might be in the 30s, but 27 is not too bad. I really do like that. And I actually have a storage unit, one of my 30 bottle cases that I have on the side. I don't have anything kitted for it. I think I'm going to put this painting in there as well. As I said, it's a 30 by 40. And this is all the listing of all the diamonds. And it tells you the number of packs of each color. So it makes it a little easier to organize. Also the DMC code and all the symbols. And I was kind of hoping it was all the same. They are not. They have letters, they have numbers, and they have symbols. So meaning little pictures. Like this is the little turnaround symbol. This looks like a little fire flame to me. Little kind of arrow pointing to the right. Yeah, I am so excited to get this up. And as I said, I was just so excited that I found this little painting. Mostly because I remembered the little fox on it. So, and these are the diamonds. So, as I said, they're little packets. And as I've said, I don't mind. And since I'm going to kit them up in a bottle, I don't work from the bags not for a long time. So that's why the small ones aren't an issue for me. Oh my goodness. I was just so excited that it was a square. And I honestly forgot it was. So, I am just super over the moon that I found this painting. And I cannot wait to start it up. And I'm not sure if I will do a kit up video for it. I'm thinking about it, but I'm not too sure because since there's so many smaller packets, it might take me a little long. And mostly because I haven't done a smaller packet kit up for a while, so I'm a little worried that I might take too long or I might make a mess. So this one, I might not do a video to kit up. But I will record whenever I'm doing a whip and chat. I'll make sure to be showing this painting just so y'all can see the progress. Mostly because I have a feeling I'm going to be really slow with the squares. So, yeah. So that's all I wanted to show today. Mostly because this painting, I really wanted to show it. As I've said, I've never worked with a double adhesive. And I've never worked a square from TEMU. So I am so excited to work on this painting. Oh my goodness, it's just, as I said, I'm just over the moon about this, that I was able to find it. And I need to stop yelling whenever I find something in my closet of diamond painting stash. So I'm going to scare the neighbors, and I'm scare my husband. And so, yeah, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I can ask if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It'll really help the channel out, really help push me out to the algorithm. and really help everyone to be able to see all of these wonderful paintings that I am more than happy to present. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.